All right. What's that? The Charger?
The Dodge, yeah.
Charger. Okay. That's aggressive.
It's great for roll because it picks up quickly. On the highway, you'll be in, if you're doing 120, you'll be at 3,000 RPMs.
I just watched my gas gauge go down.
Miles per gallon, buddy.
Yeah.
So you can see how the gearing is. Like, don't accelerate very quickly, just wait till we move on so we can go straight. Just slow down, nobody's behind you. Just go on the speed. Because you're doing 40, it's first gear is 0 to 50. Okay, so it's very short. So if you do 40 rolls, it'll jump down to second gear. So it'll feel sluggish. If you drop down to the bottom, like slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down. Okay, slowly accelerate. Okay, now you're first gear. Now go, gotcha.
Very good range, right?
You will top out at 250.
That is pretty good. Not bad.
See how nice it accelerates?
Yeah, actually, that's
Some kind of Porsche doing.
Like right now with headers and this should probably dyno around like just 390 to the wheel. Because stock ones dyno at 360.
Right.
I know because I used to own one.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So anybody that claims any higher numbers from long tubes is like, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
But, you know, for example, a guy with the same setup, because you have the 391 rear end, you'll take off quicker.
Yeah.
Good. Dude, that was good. That was a good run, man.
Oh yeah.
What time?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's read it. You got.
Okay. 13 seconds.
Not bad.
18 seconds.
I'm going right. Woo!
Alright.
sounds phenomenal.
Straight piped.
Straight piped, and then you got the
It's straight pipe. It's gonna be a 3. It's gonna be turning into a 3 right now. So
yeah.
nice.
Woo! I want to see these headers, man. Oh, they're in there. They're in there. You see that?
See him fucking hanging on the ball. I don't have much clearance.
Oh yeah. Oh, right there, eh? There they are. Look at that. It goes all the way back. That's cool. That's tight, man. That's why this is a lot of labor.